Asa na kaya yung groom natin? Wanted sa bride yun ah. Tara, hanapin natin. Hello.
Hello, groomsman?
Right.
Nasaan na si groom?
Nahanap na namin ang groom.
Okay, dali niyo sa akin yan.
Meron po bang nakakaalam sa ating kalagitnaan ng dahilan upang hindi matuloy ang kasalang between Alfreds and Ann? Meron po ba?
Nagsimula ang lahat sa isang kanta. Bakit ngayon ka lang sabay nagtagpo ating mata? Ilang beses
My love, my wife, my everything. Sa harap ng Diyos at ng mga mahal natin sa buhay, nakatayo ako rito sa iyong harapan. Puno ng pasasalamat dahil sa wakas, dumating na ang araw na ito.
Ipaglalaban ko, tahanan mo ako, di magbabago yun. At pag ika'y nawawala, tingin ka lang sa aking mata. Pagmamahal sa'yo, di mauubos yun. Lalabanan ko lahat para sa'yo. Basta't nandito lang ako sa tabi mo. Aaminin sa'yo, ang daming beses na muntik kang sumuko.
Tagal ko itong hiling ang sandaling magiging isa na tayo sa mata ng lahat at higit sa lahat sa mata ng Diyos.
Hello, asawa ko. Sa dami ng landas na pwede kong tahakin, ikaw ang taong pinili ng puso ko na maging tahanan ko. Hindi man perpekto ang ating kwento, pero sa bawat pahina nito, ikaw ang pinakamagandang bahagi. You came into my life not just to love me, but to teach me what real love truly means. The kind that stays, the kind that understands, The kind that chooses to remain even when life becomes difficult.
At simula sa araw na to, wala nang ikaw, wala nang ako. Ang meron na lang ay tayo.
Basahin mo muna yung letter. Uy, letter. Sabi ko letter muna.
Excited ako eh.
Wow, iiyak agad.
Wala na ba yan? Wala sa mukha mo.
Salamat dahil lagi mo akong inunguna sa
Regalo sa inyo. Right.
Ano to? Kinakabahan ako? Your folder. Ayun o! Tingin ko ano to? US. Anis! Isa pa, isa pa. Meron pa. I love you so much, my love. Thank you, thank you.
Ready ka na mamaya. I love you.
Everybody in the car, so come on, let's ride to the liquor store around the corner. The boys say they want some gin and juice, but I really don't wanna be a buzz like I had last week. I must stay deep. I like Angela, Pamela, Sandra, and Rita. And as I continue, you know they're getting sweeter. So what can I do? I really bag you, my lord. To me, flirting is just like a sport. Anything fly, it's all good. Let me jump in, please singing the trumpet. A little bit of Monica in my life. A little bit of Erica by my side. A little bit of Rita's all I need. A little bit of Tina's what I see. A little bit of Sandra in the sun. A little bit of Mary all night long. A little bit of Jessica, here I am. A little bit of you makes me your man.
Isa siya sa mga favorite kong ate. Ito may ate si Lisa.
Jump up and down and move it all around. Shake your hand to the sound, put your hands on the ground. Take one step left and one step right. One to the front and one to the side. Clap your hands once and clap your hands twice. And if it looks like this, then you're doing it. A little bit of Monica in my life. A little bit of Erica by my side.
Tristan! Si Ping!
All night long. A little bit of Jessica, here I am. A little bit of you makes me your man.
Karangal ko pong ipakilala sa inyo ang bagong kasal.
Trumpet. The trumpet. Mambo number 5. A little bit of Monica in my life. A little bit of Erica by my side. A little bit of Rita's all I need. A little bit of Tina's what I see. A little bit of Sandra in the sun. A little bit of Mary all night long. A little bit of Jessica, here I am. A little bit of you makes me your man. I do all to fall in love with a girl like you. 'Cause you can't run, you can't hide. You and me gonna touch the sky. Mambo number 5.